rapper, nigga. I was jumping off before first period, you was eating breakfast, nigga. Call my Glock, DMs cause it's gonna send you a message, nigga. Ride around, stolen cars, how about snatch your necklace, nigga?
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton. Y'all back with another video. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back in the slider, in the Volkswagen, you feel me? They said my car is ready for pickup. They showed me a inspection video or whatever of my car, and they said it actually came back immaculate, meaning like there wasn't no problems, everything. So that's the good news. And also, they did like I think a DME update or something like that to fix the problem that I was having. So that's also good news. So with those good news, that means I can get started with the modding process of my car as far as like performance. So like I'm about to get a downpipe and all that other stuff, and then like cosmetics slowly as I go. But yeah, it's time to get right now, since I got cleared through the dealership and everything, saying that the car is running well and everything like that. So I'm on my way right there. I'm on my way there now to go get my car, and we're gonna switch POVs to that, and then we're gonna link with Jordan later for some fast parts. Stay tuned for that, you feel me? So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss on the upload. I think we probably like 10 subscribers away from 3K. We at like 2.99 or something like that. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm at the dealership. I see my car coming out right now. Look at it. Sheesh. Yeah. Need that. Need that. So as y'all can see, I'm back in Zoom, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what they did, but I ain't got no gas. Like, damn. Oh, you hit them pop. Let me drop the window a little bit, hold on. Oh, the blue MD, oh, I almost hit the curb. Blue M340, hold on. Alright. Car feeling good. But I definitely need me some gas though. Definitely need me some gas. Get that right now, but the boy back in Zoom. Yes, sir. And I told y'all later today, I'm finna link with Jordan, and we finna get some other stuff handled. So stay tuned for that. I'm about to go get some gas and all that, and we're gonna see how the day goes, cause it's mad early. Like, you see what time it is? Like 9 o'clock in the morning, man. Like, nah. People not even up yet. I'm gonna catch y'all when I link up with him or whatever I do next.
Infinity guys.
Nah, bro, we were like the head honchos.
The heads?
Yeah.
The group broke up after y'all left.
Kinda, yeah. You know what's crazy? That's exactly what happened.
Yo,
that's exactly what happened, bro.
That's a good thing, bro.
Everyone was like, damn, y'all boys switched to B58. We might want to slide with y'all. That's exactly what happened.
See, that wasn't dumb, man. At least the boy's smart, bro.
Yo,
that's exactly what happened.
Smart, hey, bro.
My team, bro.
Then treat your home to wild deals on decor. It's all in store for you. Burlington, love the deals.
See that turbo, boy?
Orlando, Florida. Fireballs power their way to the podium. And Teddy Lee putting his way for really good.
feel about that? Oh, man, dude. All the M's out here. That shit nice. That shit clean. Yeah. Ah, damn, boy. I wasn't about to be fast. Going on a little now. Go ahead and pop the trunk. Let me see what the downpipe looking like. God. Oh, and you got turbo inlets already?
Yeah, I got inlets.
You talking about B-fast guy. Boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy. 4.5 inch all the way. Fast guy. Turbo inlets. It's an inlet, turbo inlet.
Just an inlet. That's if you got some time.
Boy, oh boy. 600 wheel horsepower setup. All wheel horsepower. Damn, oh damn.
This one's really for your car.
So what he's gonna do now, he has to change out this downpipe, because this downpipe is for Gen 1. And his has to get like a bracket that goes like right here, I believe. But I'm gonna be getting this one. You feel me? 4.5 inch all the way race downpipe. You feel me? He getting up. He getting set up right now. But that's it right there. Shout out to them boys right here. 876 Motorsports.
Let me do my video back.
What you mean? I'm doing my video too, man.
So big shout out to 876.
I know what the same thing I just did.
Shit, but the only difference is that's a cat. So that is, it looks, you know what I mean, like a great diameter from the outside, but on the inside it's thin as hell.
The cat at downpipe.
Yeah. And here,
That's
this is
3
where they
inch,
go
right?
with the mid pipes. With the mid pipe difference is, even though this is oval, it still pretty much has good flow factor, but only downside is right here you lose a little bit of pressure, but it picks back up when you go here. But all these little, so they pretty much clamp it for space saving purposes, but when it runs back out, it creates good pack pressure. That's why a lot of the time they say you don't really need an exhaust for now, but after a while,
You gonna need one.
yeah,
You definitely gonna need
it
one.
makes a difference. Okay. They're gonna get you right again, bro. Look at that. It's still
Oh, it's leaking?
Leaking still. Yeah, that's good.
Launches.
No, I only did one launch store. So should I wait now?
To take it to him?
No, I'm saying like, should I wait to get this installed and take it back to you?
Really moving.
It's real drive. It's a sure.
MST.
Ain't going no. My tires in my back. My tires in my back bigger than the front.
That's how you feel about that?
It's real drive.
Getting slow.
We getting slow.
Jeez. And put that cover back on. You wanna hit that first start? Let's see what it sound like.
See what it sound like. Shout out to that boy Winston at 876 Motorsports. You feel me?
Oh man, you gotta shout this out. Shout out to 876 Motorsports. Make sure you guys come on over. Let them know that I sent you.
Yes.
Let them know Fast Life
Hold up.
sent you. We also have, you said code?
Yes.
Code?
Yes, we working on the code. I don't know what you want your code to be.
Fast Life.
All right,
Fast Life,
Fast
on
Life.
mine. Team Fast Life.
Whatever parts you need, 20% discount.
20%.
I'm telling you, bro, you gotta make it an org, bro. At this point, Team Fast Life.
That's what it is.
Team Fast Life. At this point.
Make sure you guys come down to 876 Motorsports located in Davie, Florida. Come over, know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Bring your car in.
Jump on it while you can, while supplies last.
While supplies last. They going fast.
While supplies
They
last.
definitely going fast, dude.
So you guys see you with MST. We'll get that little started. Yeah, it sounds.
Yeah, let's see how this sounds. Hear them valves opening up? Really? Cold start. Cold start.
Let it warm up a little bit.
Breathing now, huh?
Breathing, yeah.
Breathing now.
It sounds good.
Jeez.
Okay. Big shout out to MST Performance. Turbo inlet.
I'm breathing now. Yes, sir. Sheesh. The car looking clean. Oh, yes, sir.
You guys think?
Riding stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, you gotta be smoking runs. If you ain't from around here, don't come around here. TLC better creep in the house. Walk out the door, don't leave a fire. He on probation, chief in mind. Heard your favorite rapper, cat that nigga, they'll be telling lies. Go to war with 24 court, you might as well be a sacrifice. Seen some shady shit at 8, told Lil Speedy past 9. If you play, you know the rest, where Lil Tay gon' lay it down. We smoke, run, elevate your mind. Close the door, they ain't safe outside. Fuck what you heard, I don't play by mine. Fuck what you heard, I don't play by mine. Can't fuck no little thought hoe. About cheese ain't talking nacho. If you know about Polo, Mike, that's Mr. Runch, you know he got dope. Heard you freeze up under pressure, got cold feet, that me and sauce cold. If you try to grease the piece and it won't go, that me and my dough. Your own dime won't let you grease, it can't be me, cause me, I got hoes. I be laughing to the cheese. If you know cheese, you know he got jokes. Free Lil Maya, JB, Bean, Frank One, Nixon, and El Chapo. Got some shit that make it top float. Got some shit that'll let your ops know. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Vietnam, nah.